It's Halloween season. Yep, that time of the year where adults decide to take back the holiday that was made for children. So where do you go for Halloween when you are in South Korea? We're going to Lotte World. Hi, I'm Ryan Custodio, a former elementary and middle school teacher. After years of teaching and learning, I've realized that learning doesn't just have to be in the classroom. So I quit my job and left the United States to learn from others from all around the world, starting in South Korea. Welcome to my journey. Welcome to my classroom. It is best to note that we are expecting. Yes, that is correct. My wife is pregnant and we are super excited to expand our family. And what better way to celebrate the expansion of our family by going to a theme park.
Looks like we're right in front of Lotte World Adventures, South Korea's version of Disneyland, Disney World, Universal Studios, all of that combined. I'm excited to check this out. Amanda told me about this place about a day or two ago. I think I may have heard about it, but it's close to Halloween, so they have some Halloween themed things going on today, so we're really excited to go check that out. Come on in.
Amanda and I are avid theme park goers from Disneyland to Universal Studios. So checking out one of the most famous ones in South Korea, Lotte World, we are super excited. And as expecting parents, it gives us an opportunity to give us an idea what our kid will get to enjoy out here. We are a little limited on riding rides because of the pregnancy, but that's okay. Amanda and I still know how to have a great time.
Looks like we're in front of one of those attractions that look like one of those walkthrough ones, very similar to the Walking Dead one in Universal Studios. So we're gonna go check this out right now. So we just got out of that zombie walkthrough. It was actually well done, I thought. Kind of reminded me of one of those old school corn mazes with a little extra flair to it and kind of mixed with Walking Dead from Universal Studios. So far so good, but a lot of cool stuff here from this. Bungee drop right behind me. Look at that. As well as one of the staples of most carnivals, the Merry Swing, I guess you would call that. And we're gonna keep walking around.
Throwing out some fun facts here about Lotte World. It is the world's largest indoor theme park. Even though it is not completely indoors, it is still considered the largest indoor theme park. Another fun fact, it's connected to a mall. And right outside Lotte World, there is a replica of Trevi Fountain that can be found in Rome. Now, this place is not just a theme park. They have a zoo. They also have a museum. And if I'm not mistaken, because we didn't have enough time to check out the whole park, I believe there's also an aquarium. Oh, did I mention there is also an ice skating rink as well?
Well, let's talk about the two rides we rode. Actually, one was a ride and the other one was a walkthrough. What did you think?
Well, I got a little nervous going on the zombie thing because it said pregnant women are not supposed to go on it, but not like any regular pregnant woman. I feel like it can handle some things.
I think so. And also, they made you hold on to a rope, so you're in a team of 6 people, and we were in the back. So
thank God.
Which is good because the jump scares were happening to the people in the front.
I would not want to be in that.
Right. We don't want to bring a child into the world who's already been traumatized by zombies. It was great though. They did a really good job. And the first ride was really fun too.
Yeah, Flyventure.
I was worried you were going to get dizzy, but did you? You didn't really.
A little bit. As long as they don't talk.
But the lines are insane. But here's the thing, it's pretty affordable.
Oh, it's so cheap.
How much was it?
Well, we got a foreigner discount. So it was like less than $70 for 2 of us, including the haunted house.
Wow. Come a little earlier probably, so that we can avoid the
If
lines.
you can come not on a weekend, definitely do that.
Yeah, it is Saturday for those who don't know. They have a lot of kid-friendly rides, indoors and outdoors. They have the drop rides. I think there were 2 of them. Your typical
Saw a roller
boat,
coaster. Oh yeah.
that kind of
like
boat
the
swing, Viking swing, roller coaster. That looks fun.
If I came here as a kid, I'd probably have fond memories.
Yeah, this is true, and that's kind of what we were thinking about. Lotte World, it's based off of the Lotte brand, which is what really.
Huge corporation
Let's look that up.
that owns like half of Korea.
Oh, so we're doing a little research here. It seems like the Lotte company has been around since 1948
Oh, in Tokyo.
in Tokyo. But it was, bless you,
Thank you.
in Tokyo, but it was created by a Korean businessman. 5th largest, I guess, corporation, richest family in Korea. They own a lot. Let's see what other things they own. Lotte World, that's where we're at. Lotte Young Shopping Plaza. South Korean starting pitcher, the Lotte Giants. Oh wait,
They own a
no.
pitcher.
They own a no, they don't own a pitcher. They own a baseball team. Lotte Confectionery. How do you say that?
Cheersong.
Lotte Liquor,
It's a
Lotte
soda.
Foods, Lotte Nestle, Lotte Asahi, and others. It keeps going. Lotte Hotel, Hotel Lotte. Lotte Capital must be some kind of bank thing.
What about Lotte Rio? Or is that Lotteria?
Oh, and they own the
Pizza.
Oh, pizza's here. Wait, where am I going with that? Look at that.
Thanks, man.
So my biggest takeaways from being in Lotte World is that we need to hold on to our child wonderment. Wherever you are in the world, to reconnect to your inner child, enjoy those little things in life that we have completely forgotten about. So do yourself a favor, go out there, have fun, take a break, enjoy what the world has to offer. From theme parks to maybe just watching TV with friends. Do something that will make you feel good and enjoy your life. Till next time, have a good one.